Hello, my amazing audience. It is Wealth here, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to give other people chance to share your status on WhatsApp. If it is what you want to know, please don't go anywhere. Stay tuned and let's dive right into it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hi guys, so this is how you're going to give other people chance to reshare your status for you. So when you come to your updates, let me go back to my chat. This is my chat. You come to your updates, it brings you here. Click on the three dots on your right hand side. You click on that, it brings advertise, create channel, status privacy, steered, status archive settings. But what we need to do is to click on status privacy. You click on that, then you see allow sharing, which says let people who can see your status reshare and forward it. Then you click on that. You see, that is it. Then that is all you need to do. But if you want a particular person to know that you uploaded something about them, yes, then you do like this. You go to your status, you click on that particular image, for instance. You click on that, then you see something like under your caption, under where they say add a caption, you see something like art. Just click on that art, then it brings you here to your contact list where you can pick the person you want to tag to that particular post. Then you click on the person this way, you click on mark, you click on the mark icon below. Yes, it has added the person already. Send, then you click on send, your send button, and that's it, guys. Very, very simple. I hope you love and enjoy and got value. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you in my next upload. Bye.